Hello everybody, I am Dr. Anuranjita Pallavi, consultant obstetrician, gynecologist and an infertility specialist at Medicover Hospital, Khargar. Today I am going to talk about a very common issue which we face in day-to-day lives in the OPD, and that is abnormal discharge, abnormal vaginal discharge. So, first thing I would like to tell you that there are two types of discharges. One is that which is physiological, which is normally present in every woman, and the characteristic of a physiological discharge is, especially in the later half of your period cycle, you can have sticky white discharge. Which is absolutely normal, and the characteristic of a normal vaginal discharge is it is non-foul smelling and non-itchy. Apart from this, we have certain pathological vaginal discharge. One which is most common is a fungal infection, that is candidiasis, and that we commonly see during pregnancy or in diabetic patients, or especially in summer season when the vaginal area becomes slightly humid, which can give rise to these fungal infections. The characteristic of this vaginal discharge is it will be curdy like vaginal discharge, where the patient will typically say that they have cottage cheese appearance vaginal discharge, and it is almost always associated with itching in the perineal area or the vaginal area. So if you have any of these features like itching in the vaginal area, or you have a curdy like white vaginal discharge, then you should definitely visit us, because it requires treatment. The other infection which can lead to an abnormal vaginal discharge is something known as trichomonas infection, where the discharge is characteristically greenish or yellowish in color, and which can again give rise to foul smelling, and it is usually foul smelling. So in these cases also you can visit us. And there are some frothy foul smelling discharge is also there, which indicates infection, and for that you do need to visit, and we need to evaluate as to what kind of infection do you have, so that we can give you the treatment accordingly. So if you have any of the abnormal vaginal discharge, always remember the property is that it is foul smelling, it is sometimes itchy, and these two features indicate infection. So do visit us for any of your above queries. Thank you so much.